The second practical for that the ARM microcontroller is the interfacing of that the LDR with ARM Cortex M0. Here the aim of that the practical is the to interface LDR with the ARM Cortex M0 using the FRDM KL25Z, whereas the apparatus for that the Kill Microvision software FRDM plus KL25Z board USB cable, whereas the circuit diagram in that the circuit diagram here the reset switch for that the reset switch for that the FRDM kit for that the KL2, that means the LPC2148. Here the VCC is that the 4 and 8 pins, where ground is the 12 and 14 pins, whereas the clock circuits for that the first XTAL one clock connected through that the 61 number pin, and that the second pin is the 62 number pin. Here as that the PTC2, that means the connected for that the LDR connected through that the register and also ground here, but here the LDR is indicated for that the practical we have connected for that the LED for that the internally, whereas the LED through in that the 220 ohm resistor connected in that the PTB0, and that the LDR connected to from that the PTC2. Here in that the program for that the writing for that the software in that the demo lecture we use for that the include embedded H, that means the file include that the embedded file, whereas the analog in LDR, that means the LDR connected to thread connected through that the pin is the PTC2, whereas the digital out in that the LED. After that the practical we have resulted for that the digital out, that means the LED through, where in that the while group if the LDR is less than 0.5 there is the LED is on, and the LDR is greater than that the 0.5 there is the LED is 0, that means the overall in that the loop LED on and off activated for that the LDR connections. In that the LDR is the light dependent resistor. A light dependent resistor alternatively called for that the LDR photoconductor or the photo cell, whereas the variable resistor whose value decreases with that the increases incident light intensity, and LDR is made up of that the resistor semiconductor. If the light falling on that the device is a high enough frequency photons absorbed by that the semiconductor given that the board, the resulting free electron conduct electricity, thereby the lowering resistance, and the photoelectrical device can be the either intrinsic or the extrinsic. In that the intrinsic device the only available electrons are the valence band, and hence the photon must be energy to excite the electron across the entire band gap, whereas the extrinsic device have the FM purities are that the added, in which have the ground state energy closer the conduction band, since the electrons don't have the jump lower energy photons, that means the longer wavelength and the power frequency are sufficient to that the trigger for that the device. In that the 2 or its earliest application, whereas the port of that the smoke and the fire detection system, and that the camera light meters, because the cadmium sulfide cells are that the expensive needed for that the light detection capability such as the security alarms, street lamps, and that the clock radios. Whereas the application for that the LDR have the low cost and the simple structure. They are often used by the light sensor. They are used when there is the needed to detect the observe and the presence of that the light, like as the camera light meter. They are also used for that the street lamps, alarm clock, burg alarm circuit, buzzer alarm circuit, light intensity meter for the counting package, and that the moving that the belt. Where also specification for that the LDR, it is the low thermal resistor, it have no EV rays, and that the super high flux output, and that the high luminance forward current for that the red color. Also advantages of that the LDR is the LDR are cheap in that the relatively available in many size and that the shapes. The practical of that the LDR are available in that the variety of the size and package style. The most popular size and the package style, most popular size having that the face diameter, and that the they need very small power and that the voltage for that the operation. Where also disadvantages for that the LDR, it is the highly accurate with the response time at that the tens for that the hundreds or that the milliseconds. In that the FRDM KL25Z. The FRDM KL52Z has designed by the NXP collaboration with the embedded prototyping all sort of that the device, specially requiring the size and the price point offered by that the Cortex. It is packaged as the development for that the board with the connectors to break on that the strip board on that the breadboard, and includes the built-in that the USB flash programmer. The FRDM KL25Z is the fully supported for that the embedded platform. So it gets the access of that the free tools and the SDK that provides the experienced embedded develops with that the powerful and that the protective tools for that the building proof of that the concept. The pinout shows that the commonly used for that the interface and their location. The number of the pins can be also used for that the digital and that the digital interface. Whereas the feature for that the FRDM KL52Z is the Annex PKL25Z kinetic for that the KL2MCU, whereas the high performance for that the ARM Cortex M0 core, whereas the 48 MHz 16 KB RAM and the 128 KB flash. FRDM KL25Z on-board sensor, whereas the 5V USB or that the 4.59V supply. Online development tools, USB serial port. Here that the interfacing of that the LDR with the ARM Cortex M0 are studied for that the successfully. For that the using FRDM kit in that the ARM Cortex M0.